We have made it. Excuse my face. I'm so tired. I'm ready to take a good nap. Who are you talking to? Get up enjoying life. Made it. Welcome to... Look at the house right on the thing. Hello? Hello? Welcome. We made it. Oh, these are so cute. Huh. What color?
¿Te gusta, Mary? ¿Te gusta, Mary? Really nice.
It's alright, but it smells kind of like, it smells like older stuff.
Damn. Whoever gets this room is why you pon ese cuarto.
One,
Está grandísimo el güey.
2 room. And that.
Está bien, hasta el bebé. Sácanos una picture nosotros de aquí.
Say cheese, Annie.
Cheese.
Really? Is that what's happening right now? Is that what's happening? Yeah? We are here. They went out.
Hey, we're not at the house that we wanted. Sister and my dad are outside watching the beach. But the beach is so close to our house.
They went outside to look around. It's like freaking 7 in the morning. I'm ready to go to sleep, take a shower, and go to sleep because we are needing a shower. Look at him. Look at him. Would you look at him? Dang. No wonder. No wonder. No wonder. No wonder. Oh, this is where we have come to stay 1 week. Oh, look. There's so many of them chirping at you all morning long to get your butt up. Wake up. Melanie, what are you doing? Come on. Ooh, you could stalk somebody with these. Look. I'm thinking it was birds close up, but oh, there you go. You can see the birds close up. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. She's gonna look out. Según her. Está al revés, baby.
¿Ah?
She's holding him backwards.
Papá lo tiene.
No, al revés.
Así no va.
This way, baby. Like this. Yeah, sí, mira los birds, pájaros. Yeah, pero no sirve la pool. I'm a little bit more awake now, and we are currently putting all our stuff away in the cabinets. Melanie in el piso, no, mi amor. So I called Melanie in here to help me unpack her little bag. Doblalo aquí arriba. Así, y luego se dobla así. Okay, ahora go. Very good. You're missing one, baby. And another one. Baby. There you go. One hasta atrás, no, atrás de baños. So I'm gonna let them take all their stuff out because we are gonna be here a week, so might as well. So that's all her stuff, which, if I'm looking at this right, it seems like we're missing some stuff. And that is not going to cut it for the whole week. So, well, we usually buy stuff when we go out, you know. We buy shirts and stuff that say where we went on vacation. So, we're going to do that. But now let me call Magali. So, Magali can come and pack her stuff. Unpack. I mean unpack. Give us all your bag. All your luggage. Bring it over here.
Okay.
Ya se fue para afuera. Ya arregló sus cosas. Your luggage is full. Let's see, what do we have in your backpack? Oh, your luggage broke, mi amor.
Book. Cepillo. Y me negaron toys.
Ready?
Yeah. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, nothing, making nothing.
Okay. Voy a empezar a soplar.
Yes. We only have 2 pairs of socks for all these children. One done with the girls' luggage, and now we are going to do my luggage. I'm basically doing this to get kind of an idea of what we're missing to get, because I know I forgot a lot of stuff for me. I kind of want to see if there's a thrift store around here because I love thrifting. I want to go check it out. Usually we stop by a thrift store to kind of see what they have around the area wherever we stay. So hopefully I can find a thrift store to go thrifting at. So this is my luggage. And I have all my bathing suits. A lot of them still in the package. Let's get my luggage undone and packed away. Unpacking my stuff. I finished helping the girls unpack their stuff, and there's 2 more cabinets for my husband, which you guys want to see his. This is his 1 week luggage, half a backpack and another half of a backpack, which in reality he only needed 1 backpack then. That's all his luggage he brought for a whole week. He's gonna be naked running around this house. Guys, we gotta organize the shoes. My little helpers. There you go. Getting great job. Get the girls in the shower right now so they can take a shower and clean off. Also, the baby fell asleep. He's taking his nap. He was being really grumpy, so he was ready for his nap. What's up, guys? We are going to eat. You got problems there? You got a problem with me? As you can see Yadi back there, he is being a bad boy. He does not want to cooperate. We just came to Chick-fil-A. We're eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner all put together. Just kidding, not dinner. But we're eating brunch. I am starving. We've been up since like 7 and it's 12 o'clock, so you might be.
Mira.
Hey.
Mira.
Hey. We went to eat Chick-fil-A and the dining was closed, so where did we come, children? We came to the park to eat, so we're gonna eat here and then we're gonna take them up down that way to play at the swing set. Yadi Yadi, are you making a mess on yourself? Yadi, what'd you do with that papa? Look at you. It's his first time. His first time trying he stopped. His first time eating a potato. Barely though. Or watching that person get on the curb. He wanted to show me that. His first time eating a French fry. He's enjoying this bad boy. Oh my goodness, he's trying to tear it up. Look at you. What is this? What kind of shenanigans is this, big boy? Get this potato all over you. Oh my god. He got a whole bunch in his mouth. He went like, I'm opening it out real quick. Go for a walk. That's gonna be it, guys, for this second day vlog. I am totally lost in the world. I don't even know what day it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye.